Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can cross-post to multiple channels to share information with multiple teams simultaneously. To do this, click the New Conversation button, click into the Compose message box, and start a new message. Then click the Format button in the Compose message box, and click the Post in Multiple Channels link at the top of the expanded Compose message box. Click the Select Channels button that appears at the right end of the To field. Click the channels in the Choose Channels dialog box to select them, and click the Update button when done selecting. Select Who Can Reply from the Select a Reply option drop-down at the top of the expanded Compose message box. Complete your post as usual, and then click the Send button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.